Hello, this is Yusuf Lawal here. I'm here to show you a video on how you can install font that you use in your CorelDraw environment. When you talk of font, we mean the appearance that your text will be. So in CorelDraw, I will say font make our work look unique. So you have to install a kind of fantastic font so that your customer or you yourself, when you design, you see what you have done in a very good or high dimension. So to start with, I'm going to make use of this one, the desktop here, Youth Quick font, so that if I try to install this, I have downloaded this one. You can download fonts from the internet, you can get from anybody around. So we're going to take the same method to install this one. I'm going to do now. You're going to follow the same procedure or the same rigor to install any font that you have. To start with, you click on start, or let me use shortcut that will take us to the control panel. That's window key, then I press R here. Then I have this code. This is the command. Before you can type this command, you have to bring out this box, this command box. That's wrong. That is you press your window key and R. Then you type this appwizard.cpa. Then you click OK. So we are there now. Just click on this control panel. So once this one is done, the next thing you are going to do is to click on font. So once you click on font, it's loading now. Let me also refresh this. Refresh it. It's coming. So this is your font. Well, I have a lot of this one. I've installed some of them. So I just wanted to show you how you can just go about installing it. So let me just go back to desktop. I'll minimize this one. I'll come here. This is the one I want to install. Just right click on it and just press copy. Then you go back to where you have this. All you have to do is to paste it. You paste. Click on paste. Yeah, this one is installing it. So that's done. So we have this joystick already. You can now go to your CorelDraw environment. So I think I have it here. It should be here already. So let me just go to where you can so you have your font here, Youth regular. The next thing is to go to CorelDraw environment to check your fonts that you just installed. So like I said, we are now in CorelDraw environment. So once you check, let's just check here. This is where we have font. So you want to check this. So if you can press Y, let's see. It starts from Y, that font you just installed. So I have it here. So once you type any text here, so the next thing I'm going to do is to just click on that font to see how it will appear on it. So like I said, the way I just installed only one font here, if you have like 10 fonts that you want to install, you're going to follow the same way. Just copy everything and go back to where we pasted the other time and do that. So that's how to go about it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yusuf Lawal. I spell capital letter Y, U is small letter, S is small letter, U, again there's double F, a little space, capital letter L, AWAL, small letter. See you in the next video, and thank you. Bye for now.